Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I will be doing a first impression / review of the new Filt'r Hydrating Long Wear Foundation from Fenty Beauty. So if you want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. Okay, this is the box. Everybody know Fenty's packaging. And this is the foundation. And I have the color 385. Just to tell you a little bit about the foundation, let me read. I'm going to be looking down reading it. It says it's a Filt'r Hydrating Long Wear Foundation and it's $35. It's comfortable, medium to full coverage, and a natural finish. And it's good for normal to dry skin. This is what the foundation looks like. It's a simple packaging. I love it because this is travel safe. Okay, and it does have a pump. I already moisturized my face and I also put primer on it. And I put the Fenty Hydrating Primer on the outer part of my face, soft matte primer in my T-zones. Okay, so we'll go ahead on and we can see what it looks like. It's a little runny, but not that much. Okay, so we'll go ahead on and put this on. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video, just my first impression of this new foundation. And it really is a review because I have been wearing it now for almost a week. But I'm just going to put it on and let you all see how it looks on my complexion. So if you are my complexion twin out there, you get shade 385. And I will have a video up of this eye look if you want to check that out too. And this eye look I did using ABH Norvina new palette. So that should be up soon. Have you all noticed we're getting a lot of eyeshadow palettes out as well as foundations? I mean, they just putting all of them out, all of them at the same time. I mean, ABH should even give Jacket Anna, I'm gonna build it up, I'm gonna put a little bit more on. You didn't even give Jacket Anna palette long enough for people to enjoy it before they brought out Norvina's on. What y'all think about that? Did you think the palette was out long enough before they put out another one? Give me your feedback on that in the comment section of this video and let me know what you think about it. Okay, what you all think? I think it looks good. What y'all think? Looks good. Okay, now I'm going to use the Fenty Pro Filt'r concealer, and it's in the color 360. What y'all think about Fenty? Did you all get the new eyebrow pencil from Fenty? What y'all think about that? And if there's any other product y'all might want me to check out or to use and do a video on, comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know. Okay, I am also going in with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. Okay, I'm using the Anastasia foundation in Walnut to contour with. Okay, and I'm also going to put a little of that on my nose, contour my nose just a little. What you all think so far? Okay, I am going to put down, I'm going to use the Fenty filter powder, Pro Filter powder in Cashew. I'm going to put that up under my eyes, and then I'm going to use Sephora smooth powder everywhere else to set everywhere else. You all know I do not bake up under my eyes. Don't do that. That's a no-no. This is mature skin. We can't be doing that. Like I say, that's a no-no. Okay, now I'm going to use Fenty Coco Naughty. This is the bronzer. Okay, now this is the Covergirl Queen collection in Ebony Bronze. Okay, let's come to that. That sit there for a minute. Okay, I'm going to use the e.l.f. blush in Blush and Rose. This is my favorite blush, and I have hit pan on it. Because y'all talk about my nails, I know it's time for them to get done. Now I'm going to put on some Makeup Geek highlighter in Firework. Take this powder off and finish up, and I'll be right back with the final look. Okay, I'm back. So what do you all think? I think it came out just fine. My thoughts on this Fenty product. I really do like the foundation. You can't even feel that it's on your skin. I mean, the primer, it was very hydrating, and so is the foundation. Is hydrating. I think it's good for all types of skin. I think I did great with the number 385. I really do like it. What y'all think? Feel that this foundation makes your skin looks like skin. I mean, it doesn't, it's not caked down. I mean, it looks good. I really do like this foundation. My skin has been lasting at least 8 hours. I haven't had it on over 8. So for 8 hours, it does last up to 8 hours on dry skin, on combination skin. And that's what I have, combination skin. Skin light, ooh, I mean, what else can I say about it? Everything that it said it'll do, it did do. It looks natural. It doesn't look all caked up and anything like that. So on the scale from 1 to 5, I give it a 5. If you have any comments, please put it at the bottom section of this video and let me know what your comments are. If you want me to do another type video using all Fenty products, and in the bottom section of this video if there's any other kind of foundation, anything that you all would like for me to review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.